how you can easily search your any songs using your mic in Spotify. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first thing first, make sure you have downloaded and installed your Spotify application for the desktop properly. And once you install it and sign in with your official account, and once you do that, head over to any of your browser, and inside your browsers search in this VV Audio, this software, and just download it. And once you download it, make sure to locate your files from Spotify application by going inside and locating your files. And once you do that, you simply come over here. You will get the screen like this, and you set the audio output to like this as shown in the screen here. And once you do that, you can simply adjust your volume from here. Let me show you guys. And once you successfully attach it to the output, you will come over this screen and you can simply adjust your volume like this from here. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can easily open your mic to search the songs in your Spotify application. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.